Hi, this is Alexis from the Linbay team, and today I will show you how to prepare your pre-sponge and all you need to know about it. So in this case, and we are using a press sponge of 80 pounds, but we are going to use the same method in every single pre-sponge. So we are going to use 5 kinds of lubrication. The first one that we are going to use is the mineral oil. After the mineral oil, we are also going to use the lithium, grace, and then we have 3 types of oil. We have the 46, the 68, and the 320. So it's really important that we need to know which one we need to use in every single part, because if we mix these kind of oils with the grace, it will be a problem. So that's why we need to take care and pay too much attention about it. Well, in this part we are going to use the oil 46 for the hydraulic part. So it's important that this oil is hydraulic. After we finish this part, we need to take care of this, where you can notice what's the level of the oil. We need to make sure that the level of the oil is in the middle, or not full, because this can cause some problems. So that's why you need to take care and pay attention to this part. We have 2 sections. In this one we are going to use the grace, the lithium grace, and in this section we are going to use the oil 68. So every machine comes with this oil gun that it's really important to use. So we can use it right here. You can notice we can introduce like here, and you're going to fill with the grace every single part of it. Then after you finish this section, you move to the next one. You can use also this part. And start filling it like this. You need to open this section. And after you finish this section, it's really important that every 8 hours that you're using the press sponge, it's really important that you use this part 3 times every 8 hours. It's really important, so we can lubricate all this section. Well, now we have another section that is on the top of the machine. So it's really important that you use 2 persons, one that is going to take care of this section that looks it's on the half of it, and other person that is filling the oil. The oil that we are going to use for this section is the 320. So you need to be really careful. You can use a stair or you can climb a lot, but we recommend the stair. And this is for all the oils that we need for this section. Now we have this section where we are going to use the mineral oil. So you can see you need to open and introduce the oil. After we finish this section, we are going to pass to this section, the yellow box. We can see the cross right here, and you're going to use the oil 46 also. And after you finish all this, every single time that you change your oil gun, it's really important that you clean it with gasoline or diesel. You can use one of these to clean the gun every time that you're going to change every oil. So you don't need to mix. Thank you.